Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. For this video lesson, let's discuss regression analysis. So without further ado, let's get started. What is regression analysis? Regression analysis is a set of statistical methods used for the estimations of relationships between a dependent variable and one or more independent variable. So another important concept is the line of best fit. So what is this? So the straight line that best illustrates the trend or direction that the data point seems to follow is called the line of best fit. Okay, so let us consider this example. So our value of x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Our value of y is 4, 3, 8, 6, 12, 10, and 8. Okay, so let us do the requirement. Letter A, construct a scatter plot. B, draw the line of best fit. C, calculate the slope and the y-intercept. Then the last, write the equation of the line of best fit. Okay. So let us do the first requirement, which is the mukhang di yata magandang line ko . Okay, so this is our x-axis, the horizontal line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. For the horizontal, by vertical, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, so this is our y-axis. Okay, so next, let us plot the coordinate. So 1 and 4 is here. So next 2 and 3 is somewhere here. So next 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8. So next 4 and 6, we have 4 and 6 here. So next 5 and 12. 5 and 12 is here. Next 6 and 10. 6 and 10 is from here. Then 7 and 8. 7 is somewhere here. Okay, so next is letter B, draw the line of best fit. Okay, so this is the line of best fit. Okay, so hindi lang siya perfect, but this is the line of best fit. So next, calculate the slope and the y-intercept. Okay. So our formula for the, what is this? Slope. See, let us write it here. Nala. M that is equals to y sub 2 minus the y sub 1 over the x sub 2 minus the x sub 1. Okay, so let us choose a coordinate na dinaanan ng line. So we have the 1 and 4. 1 and 4. This is our x sub 1, our y sub 1. Then next 6 and 10. So this is our x sub 2 and y sub 2. Okay. Okay, so our y sub 2, which is 10, minus the y sub 1, which is 4. Our x sub 2 is 6 minus the x sub 1. So 10 minus 4, that is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. So 6 divided by 5 is 1.2. This is our slope. So next is the y-intercept. So in solving the y-intercept, we need the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept. Form. Okay, so our formula is y equals to slope times x plus b. Okay, so let us use the first coordinate 1 and 4. Okay, so our y here is 4. Next, our slope is 1.2. Multiply it by the value of x, which is 1. Ito lang. Hindi maganda pagkasulat. So next, plus b. Okay. Okay. Plus yung b natin. Okay, so our b ay yung hahanapin natin. So equal siya dito 1.2 times 1, that is 1.2 plus b. Okay, so let us transpose this 1.2 to the left, becomes negative 1.2 equals to b. Okay, so 4 minus 1.2, that is 2.8. So that is our y-intercept. Okay. So next, write the equation of the line of this state. So yung equation natin ay is equals to y is equals to the slope times x plus b. Okay. Ngayon, ang slope natin ay 1.2. Multiply dito sa x. Then, ang b natin ay 2.8. Okay. So, ito na ngayon ang ating equations of the line of this state. So, sulat natin dito na itong y equals to 2.8. Sorry. 1.2 pala siya. 1.2x plus 2.8. Okay, so that is how to find the equations of the line of this state. Okay, sana natuto kayo dito sa short video na ito. So until next video, thank you for watching.